guys, so today we're at Amamoor and we're here to go and have a look at the Mary Valley Rattler. So it's a historic steam engine that runs from Gympie to Amamoor and return. You can get a ticket online through their website, $65 per person. They run a few times during the week. If you just go to their website, you can check out when they what timetables and everything that they run. A really great experience for kids. It looks like a fantastic old engine, so we're going to go up to the station now and check it out. So guys, only one way to turn the train around here, and that's this old turntable. So that's pretty interesting. The train ends up coming through, backing back into here, and then they turn it round up there at the station with the controls, and yeah, turn the train around so it heads back to Gympie. Pretty interesting little device. All looks fairly simple, like it just runs on this single rail when it turns around. Looks like it's probably powered by a diesel engine. I can't see any details written anywhere, but that's what I would imagine. The diesel engine there, and that housing there fires up and puts the pressure up into these tanks here, and that's what runs it to turn it round. Happy to have comments if anyone that's an engineer out there that used to use these types of things. You can leave your information there in our comments there and let me know. Kind of a little bit of a old train enthusiast. Many years ago, my parents, particularly my dad, was very interested in stationary engines, vintage cars, and anything that was old, locomotives, etc. So kind of been brought up with this as a kid, coming to all these types of places. So anyway, even at the little Click Clack Cafe is entertainer with some music, so I think he'll be getting to start up his guitar and that soon as well, so you can sit there and enjoy a coffee, listen to some music, and yeah, enjoying the train ride.
Oh, you know what it is? It's the steam power from
Oh, so you don't think it's a diesel, you think it's they use the steam power from the train to get the thing to turn around, do they?
Yeah. They've got a pipe going into there,
Yep.
and that's causing the power to just turn that copper
Oh, yeah.
where it goes.
There we go. Pretty awesome engineering, isn't it?
Well,
Amazing.
200 years ago, it was quite clever, I reckon,
Yeah, I reckon.
to build that.
Yeah, exactly. There we go, I've gone 180 degrees. The train will go forwards now and hook up onto the what was once the rear end of the car. Way down there. This is the old guard carriage. She's pretty awesome. They're going to take off again soon, take everybody back to Gympie. But yeah, you guys can come down and have a ride here for $65 for 2 people, I think it was. And different types of options. There's a dinner option as well, $125 per person. Goes along from Gympie to Amamoor and return. So pretty good little trip if you're a train enthusiast or you just want to see some of the countryside in a different way.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that notification bell.
Yep, so as we travel around we're hoping to bring you some more bits and pieces of things in the country that most people don't probably come and see, so this is probably one of them. So anyway, don't forget to hit subscribe.
See you later, guys.
There goes the signal. Signal man down the other end, ready to go. Whoops, there we go.